In Fukuoka, Japan, a 5-lane road vanished into the earth in under 10 seconds. On November 8, 2016, a crater 30 meters long and 15 meters deep swallowed the intersection outside Hakata Station, taking traffic lights, manhole covers, and a bus stop down with it. Engineers later traced the collapse to a subway tunnel being dug 30 meters below, where crews had pumped out groundwater faster than the limestone bedrock could hold its shape. The ground simply gave way, and within hours the hole had swallowed enough material to fill an Olympic pool. No one died, but the crater sat 1 block from a hospital and a hotel still under evacuation orders. Join thousands who get this daily. Subscribe to keep up. Fukuoka repaired the entire crater, repaved the road, and reopened it to traffic in just 36 hours. A recovery so fast investigators suspected a cover-up until the engineering reports went public. Comment below, did you know a city could swallow a highway and rebuild it before the weekend?